Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to install the solar panels, or if you already have the solar panels but you want to add the solar battery, then please watch this video. Don't do these mistakes. This video will be very helpful. And if you like my video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. The first solar mistake people do is just blindly following the other people. If some of your friends or relatives they have installed the solar, so you just simply blindly follow them and say yes, I would also go for solar, without realizing certain facts and figures. So don't do that mistake. People don't go for the solar power survey. They are simply relying on the company salesperson who is just checking on the internet online and just telling them that their roof position is good for the solar system, and they simply go for that without realizing that how much saving they will actually have, how many hours in the day sun will be at the right position. So solar mistake number 3 is without calculating your power bill. If your power bill is too high, then only there is a point to go for the solar system. Because if the power bill is very nominal, then there is no point to go for the solar system, and the investment you will be making, it will not be useful. Mistake number 4 is you are going for the solar panel without checking yourself the direction of your house roof. North direction is the best for the solar panel to generate the maximum energy. But if it, even if it is a northwest, then still it will be the second best direction for your solar panel. So you check the direction yourself, because sometimes solar companies they try to maximize their sales and even sell the solar panel even if it is a west direction. Like a majority of your panels will be on the west side, so it won't generate much energy. So you check that which direction maximum solar panels will be installed. Mistake number 5: before you install the solar panel, you have to calculate how many family members are living in the house and how many are available during the daytime. Because to get the maximum usage of the solar panel, the majority of the equipment like dishwasher, washing machine, those kind of heavy equipment should be used only during the daytime, and somebody should be always at home during the daytime, or either you spend another dollars to install the time delaying devices so that these equipments are turned on during the daytime. So you have to calculate those costs also before you go for the solar panel. You have to calculate which energy provider will give you maximum rate for the energy sold to the grid, because that will be the benefit or rebate you are getting on your monthly bills. So if the company which is giving the maximum rebate, it is not operating in your area, so it will be a problem, then you won't get the maximum return. So you have to calculate that what energy provider, which one is giving the best rate to you. Lastly, the mistake number 7 is very important. That is the return on investment. So basically, you are sparing the money and doing some investment to save on the energy costs. So you have to calculate how much time period it will take to recover back that money. If your monthly bill is less, it means you have to wait for more number of months. You have to calculate that what will be the return of investment, because if you are spending money on the battery also, then it will be probably a big investment, as roughly around 4500 you will be spending to install the solar panel, and you will be spending another 10 to 15,000 for installing the battery. So altogether it will be around 20,000. So to recover that 20,000, how much time period it will take? So you have to calculate that, because if it is taking too long, then it is not a right decision to go for the solar panel. I hope guys you enjoy my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And if you have any question, just leave your comments. I will be happy to answer that. Thank you.